In this video, we are going to share the documents you can provide for the proof of relationship of your spousal sponsorship application. We are going to share a detailed list of documents as well as a sample format with you all, so stay tuned.
Hello everyone,
I am Ishani.
and I'm Lavkesh.
Welcome to our channel, A Canadian Dream.
We post videos on Canadian immigration, Canadian lifestyle, and travel blogs on our channel. So stay tuned and hit the subscribe button right now for more exciting videos. Let's get started on the list of documents you can provide as a proof of relationship for your spousal sponsorship application.
First and foremost, the most important document is the marriage certificate.
We provided a good quality colored photocopy of this document so you could do the same. Please note that you need to provide photocopies of all the documents unless stated otherwise.
Also, you can provide other documents related to the wedding. For example, the wedding invitation. You can share the original wedding invitation card along with your file. The bill of wedding venue payment, for example, the catering bill or any other bookings made, and bill of the engagement ring or gift bought for the wedding.
You can also provide documents with spouse's name mentioned on it. Firstly, passport with spouse's name on it. Now this can be done for both of you or either one of you. Many people have this confusion that they need to get it done for both the partners. Based on my experience, it is alright even if one of you have added the name of your spouse on your passport.
Other document that you can provide in this category is a unique identity document with spouse's name on it. For example, Aadhaar card for India. Also, you can provide any other official document with spouse's name. For example, the life insurance policy with spouse as nominee, power of attorney document mentioning spouse's name, spouse as beneficiary in any other official document, joint bank account, property or any other asset jointly owned by you. You can even provide documents related to employment provident fund or pension scheme nomination form with spouse as your nominee.
Next is social media related proof of relationship. You need to provide screenshot of your Facebook post.
Also, you can share the greeting cards shared with each other on birthdays or special occasions, receipts of gifts exchanged on special occasions, screenshot of the conversation through the text messages, emails or letters, WhatsApp conversation or any other social media conversation.
Apart from that, you also need to share some other documents, which includes copy of bank account statements showing transaction history related to any of the funds transferred between your accounts or payment shared between you.
You can also provide the call records. You can provide two things in this case: your phone bill showing the details of the calls made to each other, screenshots from your phone from the different dates showing calls made to each other. This can include the calls made through the phone or any of the social media applications.
Next, what you can provide is the activities which you have done together. You can even share the activities done together as a couple before or after the marriage. This is a small thing, but these kind of details show your ties and proves that you are in a genuine relationship.
Also, you need to provide the reference letter from family or close friends who can vouch for your relationship. I will share the sample format of all the documents with you. If you need it, you can simply leave your email ID in the comment section and I will share it with you within 24 hours. Please use the sample format of all the documents as a reference only and create your own documents with the details specific to you. You can also provide the details of any trips taken to visit your partner while you were away before or after marriage.
Here again, you can provide air, train or bus ticket, hotel or restaurant receipts from where you met, etc. Passport stamps, if any, showing the details of your travel.
You can even share the details of any planned travel or activities in future for which you have made the booking. For example, we made the booking for our honeymoon, so we shared the same as the proof of our relationship. Also, you need to provide 20 photographs from the timeline of your relationship, which will be of different locations. You need to mention the below details at the back of each photograph: location, date. Also, you need to provide a little description of the photograph. You can find how we provided the details at the back of each photograph.
You also need to provide a detailed letter providing the details about your relationship in simple terms. It is a story of your relationship, on how you met and how the relationship progressed and how you got married and so on. You can add as much details as you like, but don't make it too casual for the visa officer to read.
We have a pro tip here. Ensure that the details you provide in this letter is matching with all the other details that you have provided in the forms and documents. So there shouldn't be any mismatch between the details that you provide in the documents and the forms and the details that you provide in this letter. So you can provide some or many of these documents out of this list as a proof of your relationship. We provided the same list of documents and we got our spousal sponsorship application visa within 2.5 months.
Another thing, guys, please be aware that the Canadian immigration officers are highly experienced professionals. So if your relationship is genuine, then even if you provide less number of high quality documents as proof of your relationship, then it is going to work your way.
Hope this video helped you in some way. If so, consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now. Screenshots. You can also provide details of any trips to. We provided a good quality colored photography.
Photography.